All right, we're back. Let's see if I can get a little extra light on the subject here, if possible. I'm going to try to remove more Willie G stuff today and see if these 4 caps that I bought that are supposed to fit will actually fit. So that's what we're going to find out. So first thing I want to do is bring some power over here and see if we can get some light on the subject. See what we got here. Try that. See if you guys can. Does that help? Does that help at all? That doesn't look like it's helping too much, is it? All right, let me get my other light. The one that is hotter than the sun. Let's see. What we'll do is turn this one off. And let's plug this one in. This is the one I recently used on my touring brake pad video. Alright, I think that might be a little better. Give you guys some light to see what the heck I'm doing. Give me some light to see what I'm doing. Put it that way. Put it like that. Alright. That looks pretty good, I think. Alright, so these are the Willie G caps. So first thing I have to do, they're Allen head. First thing I have to do is remove them. So on each side there's going to be 2 Allen head screws. I can find it here. Like I said, this light is blinding. All right, there we go. So that's one. Basically, we just want to loosen them enough to where the cap slides off. That's one. There should be another one here somewhere. There we go. I can find it again without blinding myself here. Because this light is 500 watts or some crap. All right, there it is there. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, come right off. Very good. Obviously, they have Loctite on them. So, all right, so here's the replacement that I picked up. That slides on pretty good. Hole size looks about the same there. So once we run the Allen heads down with some Loctite on them, and new Allen heads come in the kit, where did I put them? Oh, there it is there. And they actually look to be a little bigger, so I don't know. We're going to see what we got here. So, yeah, everything comes in the kit. All right, you can see there's even a wrench. They even give you an Allen head wrench. So, I just, like I said, I'm not a fan of all the skulls. It kind of drive me nuts on this bike. Because, like I said, that guy spent so much money. He did every Willie G thing known to man. Now, let's see. Get this to start, because I want to put Loctite on them, obviously. So what I'm doing is basically starting the Allen heads first. I'll get them started, then I'll put a little Loctite, slip it on there, like that. Okay, so now they're started. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'll put some Loctite on the threads, get it in place, and run them both down. Just want to get everything ready to go. Get this Allen head wrench out. Again, this is a 5 to 10 minute job at best. Okay, just making sure they gave me the right Allen head. All right, very good. So we got that. Let's get some Loctite here. And again, you guys know how I do it, but I'll show it for the new people. All right, you can see that there. And what we do, we just run a little bit on the threads, like that. Just enough. Like I said, when you screw it down in, it's going to, wind up on the threads anyway. So there we have it. All right, so now, next part of the business here, I'm going to run them in a little more to where I can just see the tips. See, just seeing the tips right there in the bottom of the cap. Hopefully you guys can make that out. So we're going to run this one in, do the same thing. Just see the tips. All right. Now, slide it on with the heads of the Allens down. So we're going to run them up back and forth. Let me get back on this one. What I'm trying to do, I want to run them up evenly if I can. Where are you at? There you are. Let's run this one up. And then once they make contact, then you'll just snug them down. Okay? And then, like I said, the Loctite should do its trick. So, again, you're just going to snug them down good and tight. That's one. Let's find the other one's right next to it. They didn't, on the Harley brand ones, they actually, they staggered them a little bit more. So, all right, very good. So that's on. That's one. Prepare the other one here. We'll move to the other side. Get this stuff out of the way here. And as I always say, if you're looking for some Willie G skull crap, I have it. It's for sale if you're interested. I'll give you a deal on them. Not going to give them away. Just, try to recoup some of my money that I'm paying for the parts. But, you get a good deal. But the stuff is basically new because, like I said, he put no miles on this bike. So, all right, get that one started. And we'll get this one started, and we're going to move to the other side. And like I said, we'll add some Loctite, but first thing we'll do, we'll come over here first. Back to the other side. Very good. Get you set up again, the same thing. Make sure you can see what the heck I'm doing. Some Allen heads handy. All right, bring this over. Okay, so same thing. Let me put this over here for now. Let's see. I don't want to take a chance on scratching a brand new axle tube cover there. So, all right, and they are two different sizes. So, get that started there. That one backed off. And we'll go to the other one here. Actually, I think I'll pitch the bar. Make it a little easier to see up under. You guys can still see that, right? Let's see. All right, very good. And we'll get up under here. We'll get this one loose. There we go. Okay. So again, that come right off. We have our replacements ready to go. Yeah, if these Amazon ones work out, I'm going to buy the same brand for the back ones. They're slightly different, but I am going to buy that and I'll put them on the back. So again, little blue Loctite. Put that wrench there. Pop this one out. And again, I'm going to run them in till they just start coming through. I think you guys can even see that with the direction of the light. So again, just come on. Tough to do this. Like I said, I'm going to buy one of those ring lights, those LED ring lights that, all the TikTokers and I guess some YouTubers use them, like when they do those videos where they talk about other people's videos. So I'm not into that, but I need something that's going to give me a nice light. So, okay, you can see hopefully in there, the tips are just sticking up. So same thing, we're going to put this on. Okay, and again, I want these towards the bottom, so you can see in the bottom of the, hopefully you can see that. Make sure I got you still. All right, in the bottom of the fork where it splits. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to line the set screws up in between there. So, and again, go up to where it just makes contact. Like so, and then we'll take this one, same thing, just till it makes contact. Once it makes contact with the axle, then we'll go ahead and we'll snug them down. Okay, very good. One, get the other. And before I recommend these things, I'm going to run it to make sure they don't go flying off. As like I said, they are made slightly different. As like I said, the Allen heads are right next to each other. instead of being staggered, which I would prefer. Okay. Very good. All right, so that's on there. That's done. They have Loctite, so we'll see how they do. I may go down the road and hear bing, 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 and be losing axle caps. But I'm not going to be riding the bike today to give it time for that Loctite to set up. And we'll see what happens. So, all right, so that's how quick and easy it is to swap out your, or add axle caps, or, swap them out if you don't like the ones that are on there. So, and that's it. All right, with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I don't know what I'm doing next. I haven't decided. I really need to put that backrest pad on the trunk. That could very well be the next video. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.